Get them all in the shot. Stand over here and aim to the right.
I'm doing each one.
Frame them all.
You know we can hear you, right?
Yeah. I'm your videography instructor.
I'm muting you.
Don't step on me.
No, I'm so muting you out of this.
You're gonna get a C on this video.
Right.
Hey.
Oh, he didn't like that. They're lovebirds. You want the attention? Is that what this is? Are you an attention whore? Yeah? Oh yeah, good little birdie. Birdie, little birdie. Oh no, this way. Come on. Look over here, birdie. Little blue bird. Little blue birdie.
Yeah, this one came out now.
Are we done?
Oh.
Cow birdie. Oh, you're a good little birdie. Yes, you are. Who's a good birdie boy? Oh, watch out, honey. Who's a good birdie boy? You are, aren't you? Oh, you're following the camera. Oh, you love the camera. You love that camera, little bird, don't you? Yes, you do. Oh, don't bite my nose off. Oh, yeah. Baby, he loves the camera. Oh, that's a good shot right there. Look at all those birds, man. Oh God, they're awesome. Look at all of those birds. Okay, let's get
$5,000 worth of birds.
Let's get a look at that one. Let's get a look at that one. Let's get a look at that one. Let's get a look at those. Those are our little lovebirds right there. Yeah. Oh, you guys are beauts. You love attention. You right here. That little bird loves attention. Oh yeah. Back over here, little birdie. Back over here, little birdie. Come on. Look at me. Look at me, little birdie. Aw, look over here. There you go. That a bird. That a bird. All right, baby. I think we're done. Are we done?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye, birdie. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, birdie. Bye-bye, birdie.